What's going on, guys? Kyle Berg here. We are at 233 pips and climbing. It is Thursday night. Just looked at my computer and was like, holy shit, hell yeah, something just took off. Guys, we're just catching these pips here. If you are not started yet, if you are on the fence, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you need another sign, another positive, profitable week, I guess maybe that's another sign for you. Obviously, past profits don't guarantee future profits, but guys, we have an awesome strategy. We have an awesome team. We have amazing tools here trading the Forex markets. I'm Kyle Berg. Just wanted to shoot my face here real quick. Get back to whoever got you started, get you rolling here. And until the next video, you guys stay awesome. And I look forward to seeing everyone here on the inside super soon.